Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trish and I love makeup and I love reviewing makeup. So stay tuned because we have a new palette to take a look at today. But make sure before you leave today, you hit the subscribe button down below, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you feel like it, ring the bell so you know whenever I upload new videos. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got a new palette from Storybook Cosmetics. It came in this like velvet bag that reminds me of a Crown Royal bag. Also, what was inside of it though is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palette, which I just think is so cute. I just love these little book palettes. They're bulky, yes. Do they need to be this thick? No. But it's cute, and I have like a little collection over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, the whole thing, but that's where I store these just because I think they're cute. So when you open it up, oops, you get your golden ticket. I forgot that was in there and totally just dropped it on myself. But one of these shadows was actually falling out. It was the one down here at the bottom, the Wonka bar. But these are the colors here. Aren't those adorable? Yes, they are, just so you know. So the names are, we're going to start up at the top. Charlie Bucket, Snozberries, August Gloop, Mike TV, Willy Wonka, Oompa Loompa, Fizzy Lifting Drink, Veruca Salt, I don't remember. It's been a long time since I've watched Willy Wonka. Everlasting Gobstopper, and Violet Burgundy, maybe, Wonka Bar, and the Golden Ticket. So my Wonka Bar, this chocolate colored down here, was the one actually coming out. So I just pushed it back in. Hopefully it stays, but hey, whatever. Alright guys, so yeah, this is just like a little thing they just keep put in there. It says Wonka Golden Ticket, 1st February 10 a.m. I'm assuming maybe that's when this came out. I don't know. Many wonderful surprises await you. I don't know what that's all about. Watch, I probably won something and had no idea. Anyways, let's dive into this eye look. We are going to prime our eyes, which I'm going to do with my Jeffree Star white concealer. Let me fix my mirror here. I just filmed my beauty room tour and I will link that up above. But now I just need to get everything in order and keep it there, you know? So I'm just dabbing that around just to set the eye a bit. So I have not used this yet, but I do like their eyeshadows. Now, I don't really know what kind of look I'm going to do today. Excuse me. But I figured since this is the Willy Wonka, we have to use Golden Ticket. That is going to be a must. My Wonka bar, it is actually breaking, which kind of sucks. I might have to repress that a bit. Who knows. So I'm first going to dive in with the Veruca Salt, which is just the white shade. Just to set that concealer. Alright, so next we are going to go in with August Gloop up here, which is like this nice little tan color. And we're going to dab into that a bit. And we're just going to apply that right underneath the brow. And I always do both sides because I won't remember what I did if I don't. Alright. And then we're going to go in with Everlasting Gobstopper, which is that nice pink color. And the brush I'm using is the same brush. It's the Morphe M504. And I'm just blending that out as much as I can because I don't want it to be too harsh. It's a very pretty and it blends very nicely. I really like that color, the Everlasting Godstopper, or Gobstopper, excuse me. Next we are going to go in a little bit with that dark brown. I just want to kind of see if it's going to fall apart, honestly. But it's got a few cracks, you guys. And this is another brush here, and I'm just kind of going right below, like the very top of where that pink was. And I'll probably go back in with some more of the pink. And we're just doing this outer corner here. Let's clean that off. We're going to dab back into that Everlasting Gobstopper. Just add a little bit more of that to the very top for a nice transition. All right. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the foundation to my eyelids again, just because I want to brighten them up for the gold. So this is just a Wet n Wild brush. I've had it forever, but so far I like it for what I'm doing this. And I'm just doing like a half cut crease. I don't do cut creases very often. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set this real quick. And I'm just setting it with that same powder I did earlier, that white, the Veruca salt. You could even use a translucent powder if you'd like. All right, guys. Now let's go in with, I'm gonna go with one of my Jeffree Star brushes. This is the JS10. It's just kind of a flat shader brush. And we are gonna dip into the Golden Ticket. Normally I do shimmers with my finger, but I do want to try it with the brush. Oops, excuse me. Just to try it out. I'm not really liking that so far, so let's wet it and see how that goes. So we dip in, get it on the brush, take a setting spray, just a dab will do ya. So that definitely works better. So this is nice to do like for the edges of your cut crease, and then honestly you can just go in the center and with your finger. When I do these eye looks, I never practice beforehand to see if it's going to be a good combo. I just like to wing it. Literally wing it. And then I'm just kind of buffing out that harsh line with my finger a little bit. And then we're going to go over it and just kind of blend it in to the outside edge. And I'm also gonna fix the top part because it's not my jam yet, okay? So this is a new brush that I just got. This is supposed to be like a concealer brush, but I wanted to try it on the eyes just because I know I won't use it as a concealer brush, honestly. So I'm just dabbing back into that Wonka bar color just to kind of blend into the edge of that gold so it's not such a harsh line. We just want it to fade into it. Okay, I don't really know what I'm feeling yet. I don't know. Still thinking about it, you guys. I mean, it's not the shadows, it's just I don't think I chose the best combination, honestly. And now I'm just kind of going over the top of this with more of that pink, the Everlasting Gobstopper. And I know some people are going to think, Trish, you didn't even do swatches, but you know what? Swatches aren't the best like way to tell to see if something's going to work. So I just most of the time just like to go in. And we're going to go into this Charlie bucket, which is like looks like a shimmery white color. We'll go in with our pinky. It's a nice little highlight. Just right under the arch. And now we're just blending some of that in. For under the eye, what do I want to do? I think for under the eye, we're going to go in with the Snozberry, which is that orange. And we're just doing that right into the lash line and right below it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the edges and apply my lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the final look with the eyes. I added some Ardell Faux Mink. They're 811 lashes. Not really my favorite, but hey, it's okay. All in all, I do like the palette. I wish I would have done a different color combination, but they blended well. It's good quality and definitely worth the money. It is expensive. It's $55 for this palette, but look how cute it is. Like, especially if you're a Willy Wonka fan, it's worth it. Just do it. But you guys, I appreciate you guys sticking in, watching the video, and you know, putting up with me. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know when I post my videos. I will see you next time, you guys. Bye.